The second solution in the Sika Pro-Tecta range is the full waterproofing system. Let's take a look at the build-ups. Sika primer is applied as required onto the metal roof sheet. Sika joint tape SA is then applied to the end laps, side laps and bolt heads. A light coat of Sikalastic 625 or Decethane Ultra is applied to the surface of the tape. Then a first coat of Sikalastic 625 or Decethane Ultra coating is applied. Finishing off with another coating of Sikalastic 625 or Decethane Ultra, depending on which system is specified.